If you're looking for a great place to mount some cube lights on your JK Wrangler, today we're going to be installing these Baja Designs A-pillar LED light brackets fitting your 2007 to 18 JK Wrangler. These Baja Designs A-pillar LED brackets are CNC laser cut for a precise fit and then finished off with a satin black powder coat. These are going to fit a variety of lights, especially the Baja Designs. So with that being said, let's get started with a super simple install and show you how to get some lights on your JK Wrangler. To install these light brackets, you're really only going to need one socket or Torx bit. You have to remove two of the bolts and put the bracket on, so let's get started. To get them mounted, all you have to do is pull these two bolts out right here. As you can see, we do have 1/2-inch standard bolts on here. This is an aftermarket light bracket, so we replaced them out. If you do have the factory Torx bolts, you're going to use a T40 Torx bit. Get both of those pulled out, then you'll just reuse them. Since these are aftermarket, let's get them pulled off. Now these are side specific. As you can tell, we're on the driver's side. So this is the one you're going to grab. It's going to go downwards towards the floor. Now we're going to put our hardware back in, get them mounted up. Then get them tightened up. And repeat the same process on the other side. So we just wrapped up the installation of our Baja Designs A-pillar light brackets onto our 2008 Jeep Wrangler. We've also went ahead and added a set of these Baja Designs Squadron Sports just to show you what they look like with that size of a light on here. These are going to fit a lot of other aftermarket companies. Honestly, it took about 5 minutes to get both sides installed, and you can find them right here at cjponyparts.com.